Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my midweek analysis. This is Dow Jones Industrial Average, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. We have gapped up, as I mentioned earlier in my Sunday analysis video, that we gapped up, and I was looking for this gap to fill. It looks like price did in fact break below. Let's see here, drop down to this 4-hour time frame, give you a closer look. That we dropped down below, I think it's 2,900 or so. Yeah, 2,900. So a few points here to 2875, and we seem to be sloping back upwards. Now, zooming in a little bit closer, you can see that we really kind of want to pay attention to this level here at around 20,975. Breaking above that level, I would say that that sends us back up to, at minimum, test the 2165 level, and or 21065 level, excuse me, and potentially even higher. It depends on how much this market has left in it, but it's been quite amazing the resiliency of the markets to go down recently, even in the face of all of this poor economic news. But it just seems that the market just is going to continue up a little bit higher, maybe. And then let me just go back to this daily time frame for you, give you a better idea. So we do have the highs put in here denoted by the red line. If we break above that, then we could potentially see some, obviously, well, new market highs, but potentially see some new levels put in around 2130. That's what I'd be looking at. So depends on how much strength we have, but it is possible even that we run to 21,400. Even though we have this gap here, it seems that the market has kind of consolidated a little bit, and we've traded sideways, closed pretty decent today. If we can get a push higher, then the market goes higher. Otherwise, just watch for this 20,900 level for the Dow Jones. Let me go ahead and load up Nasdaq for you. All right, and before you will see Nasdaq, this is the 4-hour time frame. We are holding above my moving average here, and I do see that there is a potential for the market to rally back to test these highs around 6,100 on the Nasdaq. So the only thing that would really make this interesting for me, looking at it from a personal perspective, is to see how this candle plays out here, because this is the daily time frame, and we did have like a gap up, and then we ended up closing at the previous close. So this level around 60.92 is going to be the level to really see if prices can penetrate that level and close above it. So if we can close above 60.92, going back to the 4-hour time frame here, you can see 60.92 is right here. So if we can get a close there or higher, preferably higher, then the market will definitely confirm that there's more strength to be had and new highs to be put in. So it'll be interesting to see. Myself personally, I expect a little bit higher into the end of the week, and then possibly some sideways action. So have to take it one day at a time, but unfortunately for myself, I have to forecast a few days ahead. So given that I do my analyses on Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday or Sunday, and then I do a midweek on Wednesday evening. So again, I'm looking for near term some potential upside here, and then maybe some new highs put in. We'll have to see how it happens. If we get some strong news heading into the end of the week, then that could do it for us, obviously. So let me go ahead and look at the S&P for you. It should be similar to the Dow Jones. One moment. Okay, and S&P coming at you in just a second. So doing this in real time on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the S&P is also acting very similar to the Dow, where price actually broke below the recent levels of support, put in back here, tested a few times, unable to make any high. So on this chart, you can see that there is a little bit of a downtrend line here. Just want to watch over that, and if that level does in fact break, then we'd see the S&P continuing higher to test its previous highs. So going back to the daily time frame for a wider view for you. you can see right here that that would be around 2,400. So that's the level to watch for the S&P. Today's reversal was pretty good, and showed that price was willing to make price action was willing to be had above this level here. These support levels around 2380 that I mentioned in my previous video. So that's what I'd be looking at in the end of the week. Some more upwards potential and potential new highs. So we'll see what this market has left in it. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a analysis of the U.S. stock market indexes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and get my bi-weekly video updates. Thank you and have a great evening.